In 2024, if you are thinking that data analytics is very good option for you, then this video is only for you guys. Hello everyone, this is Priya. I am working as a software engineer in one of the top product based company. I am making a video based upon my experience. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification. So alright, so I will start with this video. Very good interesting question. What data analyst will do normally? So basically, in simple terms, in world running based upon the data, so world is running based upon the data. So we have a tons of data, millions of data. So those data is initially unstructured manner. So this data analyst will transforming into the structured manner. So this is as simple as that. So they will make some sense out of it. So that is what data analyst will do. They'll collect the data, they'll clean up the data, and finally analyze the data and will represent some format. This format can be like anything. It could be like pie chart, bar chart, or some time series format. It could be like anything. That is what data analyst will do. Or else, let me take my experience currently what I am doing right now. So I am working as a avionics based company. Okay, I am working in Airbus. Currently Airbus is best partner of Indigo. So Indigo is owning 500 plus aircrafts. So let's say one aircraft flying from Chennai to Bangalore, the another aircraft with the same time flying from Bangalore to Hyderabad, the another aircraft at the same time flying from Hyderabad to Chennai. So those three aircrafts belonging to the same airline flying from various locations. So these kind of data they will do, collect the data through the sensors within the aircraft. Okay, so initially they will install some sensors within the aircraft. Through the sensors they will collect the data. Okay, so this collection of data, what we are doing, we are processing, we are following some process. For that we are using some pipelines. Okay, so we are following some process. We are collecting the data, we are removing the data by using some filters, we are doing eradicating, we are filtering based upon the parameters, our scenarios, our use cases. So we are filtering that way, and end of the day we are representing some format to the users or stakeholders or business people, right? So this representation help us, okay, to make better decisions. So these decisions can be like anything in terms of like performance, project performance, or business performance. So aircraft operations, aircraft functions, aircraft security, climate, weather. It could be like anything. By using this data, these many details we can get to know, so that for business people it could be like easy to understand, easy to get some good decisions in terms of like a business, right? So this is like one main example. This is avionics based domain. So if you take like healthcare domain, so the same thing only they are following, but the domain only different. If you take another example like a Swiggy. So Swiggy is like a food delivery app, right? So Swiggy every year during IPL time they will make a ad. Okay, they used to run ad. So this data help them to analyze the marketing strategies. Okay, this particular period IPL is going on. So how many new users came? So how many new users registered in Swiggy app? So how they'll get to know? So they will come to Swiggy in terms of like Instagram ads or IPL ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads. So they will do some analysis. It's kind of like a marketing data analyst. So I'm telling you like another example. So and if you take like a transport domain, so we'll have, if you take any domain, will have some data analyst. So nowadays in companies, based upon their domain, they will create a separate department for data, big data, so that they will make some better decisions out of it, right? So this is what overall view about like a data analyst. Okay, when it's come to like a job opportunities or transitions, so if you are like a non-IT, you don't have experience in IT, you don't know the technical knowledge about like a Python or SAS, right? You don't worry guys, those experience you can take. Okay, so if you are working in healthcare, that is completely non-IT, then if after that you prepared, you cracked the interview, those experience you can include. So how you guys are worked, so what is your experience, so those kind of things you can use it here. That's how you can do transition from non-IT to IT, because many of them who might not get interested in on more coding. So if you take software development or software engineer, it requires more coding, but data analyst, big data related job, it requires like a less coding. I'm not saying that no coding is required, it requires like that less coding, but you have to initially prepare few scripts. If when I say scripts, it could be like SQL or no SQL, and first you have to understand up to join concepts, and then be prepared for like a Python or. And next is, so you have to understand one kind of like a framework like Spark, right? These are these framework, and then some tools, Tableaus, Power BI, these tools representing the data, so in a visual manner, right? So that business people can understand. So these kind of tools we have to get to know before sitting in front of the interview panel. So this is what interview strategy. And job opportunities, I already said you can use it if you are like a non-IT, and then you are planning to switch to IT, those experience you can use it. And salary, so in 2024 I do not find like exact salary, but if you take like US based companies, this salaries vary from $70,000 to $1 lakh. Again, it's not a exact number, it's like average salary. If you take like Indian money, it will start from like 5 LPA, this is like basic salary. So it will end up to based upon our experience. So this is what salary. Again, this salary will vary based upon our experience, based upon the company, based upon the location. So if you are in like a Bangalore, you will get like a more salary. If you are like Chennai, you will get a less. So this will like a vary. Yes, what I would say in end of this video, this data analytics is very good option, so whoever want to become. And here less coding is required, you no need to worry about more worry about like a coding. So thank you so much guys, I will meet you on next video.